Hey guys, Crystal Computers and Games here. And today, I have my black iPhone 4S. Yes, it's a black one, not a white one. And so, well, what I'm doing today is I'm actually going to be putting a back glass on it that isn't going to fall off. This is just a knockoff, I think, Amazon one. All the text is a little bit higher than it's supposed to be. I think the Apple logo is actually even bigger. And the camera ring isn't metal. But apart from that, it's good enough of a replacement. Very fiddly to put on though. So I'm going to be putting it on. Using this crappy screwdriver because my fancy tool kit doesn't seem to work with these screws anymore. No, I did not strip the screws, the bits, but this is a terrible angle for screwing stuff. Oh well. Now right now I am removing the bottom to the original back glass. Yes, it's slightly broken. I'm completely aware. I'm just gonna try to put this here on. Wait. Oh. Never mind. What's going on outside? It's raining, but what else? Okay. There, the back glass is in position now. Now all I need to do is put the screws back in. And yes, I have taken a red permanent marker and colored them red. Don't ask me why. I just did. Oh no. There's a Sparky coming. Yeah, get this done. Quick. Hey, Spark. Hi. Don't step on my screw, please. Please don't step on my screw. Damn it, I lost my screw. My ever screw, I mean. Can't breathe the wrong way on this. There goes the truck outside the window. Sparky's very interested in that. Or maybe he's more so just like, why are you fixing that iPhone? That's way too old to use. It's literally an iPhone 4S. 16 gig. Screw. Hate these screws. Oh, okay, there. 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 That screws in. Now the other screw. Okay. There. Don't even need my stand for this phone, as it's that thick. It stands on its own. That's what I like about these. Works. Yes, I watch a YouTuber called Extreme Void on YouTube. Did he know I get like 300 notifications for YouTube every single day? Yeah. Anyway, guys, I would like to say make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment. Also hit that bell, because I got a video coming that was definitely interesting. And that's about all. See you next time.